Hi, it's Denise at Seamless Sewing Arts. We just got a box from Birch Fabrics in California, and that means Charley Harper. So I'm really excited about this new collection of Charley Harper fabrics that have come in. These are the Ford Times Birds Volume 1. Now, Charley Harper, for those of you who are not familiar, was born in Cincinnati. He worked primarily during the mid-century modernist period, which was from the 40s through the 60s, early 70s. And during that time, he designed a whole group of covers and did articles for the Ford Times, which was a magazine published by the Ford Automobile Company. And there has been a lot of research done to go back and find out all of the cover designs and the articles that he did, and then translate that into products like this fabric. So I took the liberty of opening the top of the box, but I have not looked at this yet, so I'm very excited. And here we go. These have plastic on them, so you're just going to have to bear with me on that. These are all birds. And I haven't done the research to find out if it's a certain set of regional birds or something else, but I will find out and I will put it in the newsletter. Oh, this one is really fun. Of course, sometimes with Charley, you don't know what direction to put these in. This looks like, I don't know what they are, dodo birds from the top or something. Very interesting. And the colors are wonderful. They run the gamut. Here's a beautiful pale stripe with a lovely gray dove on it. Here's an intense blue. I'm not going to know all these birds. Maybe some of you know what they are. They're all accurate in terms of anatomy and environment and their activities. This is a lovely one with a kind of a dusty pink in there, and a similar color here in the background. These are some birds on a weather vane. Kind of fun. Here's a marvelous kind of acidy green, a bird in a bird bath. Isn't that charming? These are great for fussy cutting, and also for simply cutting up and allowing the pattern to show through on your quilt pieces. Oh, this one's gorgeous. Water bird with a fish. Here's another nice subtle background. These make great apparel if you're into making beautiful tops for yourself or jackets. They're also excellent patterns for bags, both interior and exterior. Here's the final one of a shorebird getting a little shrimp-like creature. So this is Charley Harper's Ford Times Volume 1. There will probably be a Volume 2 as well, and you can find it here at Seamless Sewing Arts in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, and also online at seamlesssewingarts.com. We have Charley Harper holiday cards, Charley Harper note cards, Charley Harper 2024 calendars, and also children's board books. So come on into Seamless or find us online, and you'll see many things Charley Harper. Thanks for joining us.